Hello, hello. Good morning. How are you? Are you ready to start with another English virtual lesson? Yay! Today we're going to practice the question word when. When. And we use when to ask about a time. When. When. Say with me. When. Before to start with our lesson, let's practice the 3 different meals. Meals. Here we have the first one, breakfast. 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 Lunch. 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 Dinner. 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 Okay, now let's see. Here we have one example using the question word when. Remember when? We use when to ask about a specific time. When do you eat eggs? When? When do you eat eggs? I eat eggs at breakfast. I eat eggs at breakfast. When? When do you eat pizza? When? When do you eat pizza? I eat pizza at lunch. I eat pizza at lunch. This is another example. Remember, we start our question with when. When do you eat sandwich? When do you eat sandwich? I eat sandwich at dinner. I eat sandwich at dinner. Good job, guys! Thanks for watching!